Here's a little project I'm working on. As you can see, this is a single DIN like 9394 Ford cassette radio, factory non-premium sound. And what I have here is the rear audio seat controls from a 1995 Mercury Villager. Now I had a thought using the Taurus, like 9293 Taurus, redundant audio controls to see if they would work on a stock Ford Explorer head unit. So that expanded to this, which uses the same logic, the same digital output signal that goes into the remote in on the back of the head unit that on Explorer is not normally used. So as you can see, I've got some memory sets here, just generic radio stations. And obviously I don't have any speakers hooked up, but volume works, AM, FM, all that good stuff. So what we're going to try here is using the rear audio seat controls from the Villager to control remotely the single DIN head unit. So let's watch. Volume. Memory, so these are going to be your presets. We've got AM, FM, which will switch between AM, FM1 and FM2. Speakers offer for the Villager because they have the headphone jacks here. We won't be using that one. And then seek. Seek forward. And seek backwards. So this is still a work in progress, but it's some ideas for maybe adding the guts, which are here. As you can see, this is actually a digital output signal, not just, resistance values. But using the boards here, obviously not these switches, but the boards to go and use what would be steering wheel controls in a first-gen Explorer.